This is Ferrari's latest moneymaker and its latest model, the Portofino. And I say moneymaker because it's sold out probably for the next 2 years. That's if you order one today, it'll be 2 years before you're likely to get one. Now it replaces the California and California T, so it's a very important car because it is the entry-level Ferrari now. But it's faster, quicker, lighter, broader and lower with the roof up than the California. And there's been many improvements. For instance, the steering ratio has been improved and is out of the 812 Superfast, as quite a few things on this very car. They've lightened it up too by 80 kilos, and they say it's sharper and more tactile and very quick through the corners, and we're about to experience that now in Australia for its very first time up on the Central Coast and down the old Pack Highway, etc. So without further ado, I'm going for a drive. Right, so we are in Ferrari's new baby, and I say baby because they have a new entry-level vehicle. Replacing the California is the all-new Portofino. Now, it's actually the same wheelbase, same length wheelbase as the California, but the body is slightly lengthened, not by much mind. Same engine, 3.9 litre twin-turbo V8, but it's been heavily reworked. It's a lot more powerful, 441 kilowatts, 760 newton meters, almost rivals the 812 Superfast in the torque department. Is it quick? Well, what do you think? Very quick. 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. In fact, 0 to 200 in 10.4. Has it got a lot of grip? Has it got a lot of grip? Yes. Infinite amounts of grip for a front engine. 2+2 GT. Ferrari have lightened it up, that's why. Sliced off 80 kilos off the California. That's significant in a car like this. Very, very comfortable threading through these corners. And what an engine noise. Ferrari seem to be one of the few, if any, car manufacturers that can get a twin-turbo V8 to sound, well, like that. Absolutely intoxicating, folks. Front end grip is wonderfully, this is a wonderfully agile 2+2. Now where Ferrari really is peerless amongst other manufacturers in this segment is its ability to properly balance ride and handling. And the Portofino, like the 488, is a wonderful example of being able to, well, we can switch to comfort mode on the Manatino switch on the steering wheel, and we're in comfort mode. That's not to say it won't be able to carve up these corners, but it's just not quite as crisp. And the real benefit of this is, as a daily, and you could very easily use the Portofino as a daily drive, the ride is quite simply stunning. In fact, it's better than some luxury vehicles. In fact, it's better than many luxury vehicles, but let's switch it back to sport. And it's just so sharp. You can probably see I'm barely moving the steering wheel for some very tight bends here. Again, it's that wonderful noise you can get. God, that's just intoxicating. And the speed at which it changes gear is... Got shift lights up on this carbon fibre / leather steering wheel, and although this car is $399,000 plus on roads, making it the cheapest Ferrari, cheaper than a California T actually. The option list on this particular vehicle takes it up to 381,000. This steering wheel alone is $8,000. The aluminium footrest plate on the passenger side is around $6,000. Sorry folks, I can't get enough of that Ferrari howl. Just absolutely wonderful, intoxicating. And if you thought that California didn't quite meet Ferrari styling expectations in terms of absolute beauty, well, those fears have been quashed by the Portofino, because this is a beautiful looking car with a magnificent roof mechanism, 14 seconds from go to woe, down or up, and with the buttresses behind my head on both sides, it is a beautiful looking car from almost any angle. Obviously we'll wait until we get the car in the garage at Car Advice, but till now you'd have to give this car a very high score.